So as I already mentioned about a string and string buffer, string is a immutable class. Immutable means you cannot modify the string, right? If you try to modify, a new string object will create. But string buffer is a mutable class. Mutable means you can modify same string in the same memory. It will modify. It won't create a new memory. That's a string buffer. If you want to create a modifiable string, you can use a string buffer class. If you don't want to modify, it's a constant, and you can use a string class. String is slow and consumes more memory when you concat too many strings, because every time it creates a new object. Every time it will create a new object. That's why you should not know. So concat more strings. If you concat more strings, the operation will become slow. String buffer is fast and consumes less memory when you concat more strings. And string class overrides the equals method of object class. So you can compare the contents of two strings by equal. As I already mentioned, equals method is overridden in the string class. It is the parent of the string class is object class. In the object class, this equals method is there, but overridden in the string class. Method overriding example you can give with the equals method. String buffer class doesn't override the equals method of object class. String buffer class doesn't override the equals method of object class. So doesn't override the equals method of object class. String buffer doesn't do that, but string class does that already. So that's the difference between string and string buffer class.